There goes my damn toolbox. Yeah, fucking junk. Making a video of my toolbox because some other guy was posting it on YouTube. He was showing me his toolbox and he was like, okay, show me your toolbox. I was like, okay. I'm gonna send a quick post in whenever I get in at work.
Well, you want some deep tools and shit? You take some of mine. I got all those long wrenches over there and all that stuff, you know. I'm filming myself. I'm
filming your toolbox?
Yeah.
Just for inventory?
Not inventory. It was like a show and tell because I was on this other guy's website on yesterday. He was showing me his toolbox. So I'm like, okay. He's like, he's talking about show me. Yeah. Show and tell. Anyway.
Check it out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. You gotta show it when you get that new snap-on box.
I'm about to, out of that or the Craftsman snap-on, I could get knocked out in 6 to 8 months. Forget paying 5 years. Forget paying 5 years. Yeah, he'll charge me, but shit. I'd rather have him go. No, I'd rather have him pay. I'm gonna make him garnish it out of my paycheck. $75.
Straight out the paycheck.
Make him garnish it. Because I don't feel like thinking about paying it. I'm like, take
Yeah,
it.
we don't have to worry about it. You know, no stress. It's less stressful. But get it straight out. I understand, dude.
And then it takes less. It only going to take at least about 6 to 8 months to get it.
16 a week?
6 to 8 months.
6 to 8 months to what? Pay it off?
Yeah, for $5 grand.
Oh, $5 grand?
Yup.
How much you pay a month?
So all together, I might be paying more than $300 or $500 more than that.
Oh, really? Oh, in interest?
Yeah.
$300 to $500 in interest?
Every month or so. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
That is faster to knock it out than paying at least
Well,
about.
yeah, I mean, the quicker you knock it out, the less interest.
Yeah.
You pay it the longer, right? I understand you got to go with a plan. Quick and fast, they're all gone. You got to get on the road. You got to realize it's taking a lot of sacrifice.
Yeah. I'd rather that than think about
That's what
it.
you want, though. I mean, I know that's what you want.
That's what I need.
You gonna get one like that, like this?
Well, not like his, but I need something like that.
But tall.
Tall, not too bulky. I can stash in the back of my truck.
Mm-hmm.
Not gonna take too much space. I'll say from here to there. Is good enough?
Oh yeah.
And stand up about this high or this high. Would be good enough.
Probably like something like home. You need some. You probably need some bolt storage too.
Yeah, that too.
You need the small drawers. You need the bolt storage.
And a little small roll around car to throw some stuff in.
Those two cabinets there are bolt storage. The big stuff.
There ain't goes one too, but.